How to add VPN in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management, then select VPN at the top. From this page, tap Add VPN Configuration in the bottom to manually set up a connection. This requires specific details like a server address and authentication, which you must obtain from a VPN provider. Without this information, you will get an error. A simpler method is to use a dedicated app from the App Store. Go to the App Store and use the search bar to look for VPN. You will see a list of available VPN apps. Browse through the options and tap Get on the one you prefer to install. Following these steps, you can easily add a VPN to an iPhone.